we give God the glory for this great privilege to serve the Rivers State government as Chief of Staff. And I want to most sincerely thank His Excellency, the People's Governor, Sir Ehie Fubara, for finding me worthy of this privilege to serve in his cabinet. And of course, as the name entails as Chief of Staff, my responsibilities are outlined, and to assure Rivers people that I'll do all within my ability, bringing my experience to bear in service to Rivers State and giving the best to my boss, the Executive Governor of Rivers State. A lot is required. He swore to an oath to protect Rivers people and ensure the welfare of Rivers State is priority. Today, I have taken my oath of office and allegiance to serve Rivers State, and, the government of Rivers State through him. So just to assure us that I will, with due diligence, give my best in the discharge of my responsibility. I used to be a parliamentarian, but you see now we are servants. So we'll go the way our boss wants. And of course, you know he's a visionary leader. He's prepared. He came prepared. We'll keep the ground running, and I'm sure before our 1 year in office, Rivers people will be extremely glad that they voted for a man who is experienced, a technocrat, a leader, a humble people's servant.
Thank you very much.
To come and make my own contribution to the development of Rivers State. Even when I do not know the office I will be assigned to, but whatever office that I will be assigned to, I have the capacity, the wealth of experience to improve on whatever thing that is on ground. I believe in the charge of the governor. Governance is not about antagonizing people. Governance is about bringing a new invention and what you will be remembered for. So for me, I will join His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, to make an impact so that me too, in my own little way, will be remembered. This is a stepping stone for me. It's an opportunity I've wished for myself to serve in Rivers State government, no matter the capacity. And today I've gotten the opportunity, so I'll make an input that people will remember me for it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. My name is Dr. Darlington Oji.